A tree that can provide a cure for malaria and diabetes. What a fantastic tree this is. Introducing Dita Alstonia scalaris of the family Apusinaceae. It is also called the blackboard tree, scalar tree, and milkwood. The genus Alstonia was named in honor of a Scottish botanist, Charles Alston, and the species epithet scalaris is a reference to the traditional use of the timber of this tree for blackboards in Myanmar. Dita is found in humid evergreen forest from Sri Lanka, India, Southeast Asia, China, and Australia. In the Philippines, it is scattered from northern Luzon to Mindanao and Palawan, in most provinces and islands, in primary and secondary forests at low and medium altitudes. Dita is a large, fast-growing evergreen tree with flamboyant architecture. A large tree attaining a diameter of about 100 centimeters and a height of 20 to 40 meters. The bole is straight, generally flatted, 10 to 15 meters long. The buttress is small. It has a straight trunk, dark gray, and rough bark. Its wood is used for light construction work, boxes, crates, pattern making, coarse stock, plywood, carving, and moldings. It has a strong odor and bitter taste. In other countries, the wood is used to make coffins and school boards. The bark is a remedy for fevers, chronic diarrhea, and dysentery. Leaves treat beriberi, dropsy, and congested liver. The bark contains bitter sap with many medicinal uses such as astringent tonic for fever and as a cure for malaria, dysentery, and chronic diarrhea. Several studies have shown the medicinal values of Alstonia scalaris, in which the bark contains important bioactive compounds that are health benefits, antimicrobial, and anthelmintic, and provide a potential strategy for the development of new botanical drugs to treat diabetic nephropathy. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.